Hey guys, it's Stuart from SaleHoo, and today I'm going to be talking about the easiest items to sell on Amazon or eBay for a profit. Everyone's looking for the easiest way to make money online. Experienced e-commerce store owners will tell you there's no shortcut to success. It requires hard work, persistence, and a little bit of luck. However, that's not entirely true. While it's not easy to make money online, it's not as hard as you might think. One of the secrets to e-commerce is being able to quickly identify the easiest products to sell on Amazon, eBay, or your desired platform for a generous profit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the simple process of elimination that top sellers use to find highly profitable products. All of this advice has been tried by SaleHoo members and experts, so you can be sure that it really works. Let me get started by telling you about the profitable product funnel. A common problem that people encounter when looking for a product to sell online is the sheer quantity of products on a supplier's website. The struggle is real. Some suppliers list thousands of products in dozens of different categories. So where do you start? Now try imagining the supplier's website as a funnel. Imagine all the products you could sell at the top of the funnel. You then use a method, which I'll talk about in a bit, to eliminate products and categories that don't meet certain criteria. The next step is to focus on certain niches that you know will be popular and profitable. You then identify which products have the highest margins. Finally, you end up with one or two products that will be easiest to sell for a profit on Amazon or eBay. Now let's talk about using SaleHoo Labs. The process I discussed is much easier using a tool like SaleHoo Labs. SaleHoo Labs is a powerful market research tool that uses live data from Amazon and eBay to categorize products by sell rate, average retail price, and competition. It allows you to see which products will be the easiest to sell online at a glance. As an example, I was able to find this Chemex glass coffee maker in the kitchen and dining category in less than 2 minutes. It has an average retail price of $45, an 86% sell rate, and low competition on Amazon. It might also be possible to turn this into a private label product, adding instant value. SaleHoo Labs acts as a profitable product funnel, allowing you to set custom parameters to help you find exactly what you're looking for in minutes. To be honest, it's pretty sweet. And then there's the do-it-yourself approach. If you want to do all the heavy lifting yourself, there's a simple framework you can use to help you. This method will allow you to quickly navigate a supplier's website and zero in on the products that will be easiest and most profitable to sell online. We're going to go ahead and use PulseTV.com as an example. Pulse TV is one of SaleHoo's verified suppliers. They're a good example to use because they supply a wide variety of products. Going through every product and category on Pulse TV and checking them against the retail prices on Amazon and eBay would be a time-consuming and ultimately futile task. Only a fraction of the products on Pulse TV will be profitable, meaning that the wholesale price is significantly less than the price they sell for on Amazon. It's all about eliminating the products that won't be easy to sell as soon as possible, so you can focus on the ones that will be profitable. Here's how the do-it-yourself profitable product funnel works to help you find your next best-selling item in minutes. Step 1. Avoid restricted categories. This is especially applicable if you're new to e-commerce. That's because your Amazon or eBay account will need to meet certain specifications to sell restricted or prohibited items. Restricted categories include beauty products, grocery items, health and personal care items, jewelry, watches, toys and games during the fourth quarter, and high-end brands popular with counterfeits, such as Apple and Beats by Dre. I'll put some links with more information on restricted categories in the description below. So looking again at the Pulse TV website, we can immediately eliminate the toys and the health and beauty categories, narrowing down our search in one swift step. Step 2. Avoid big brand and designer categories. There are some product categories where big names just dominate the market. When you think of jeans, you think of Levi's. When you think of smartphones, you think of Apple. The reason you want to avoid these as a dropshipper or a wholesaler is that you're going to struggle to find them at competitive prices. And you'll most likely make only tiny profits or even losses selling on Amazon or eBay. Looking at the Pulse TV website, you're going to want to steer clear of the as seen on TV category, as well as some of the products in the electronics category. Step 3. Avoid saturated categories. If you really want to pinpoint profitable products quickly, it's best to eliminate saturated niches. This is standard e-commerce best practice, and here's why. You're going to find it a lot easier to sell products if you aren't competing with a heap of other sellers. If you have to compete with 20 others who are selling the same product as you, it means your share of the market is going to be tiny. And it might force you into price competition, which you want to avoid at all costs. Niches such as clothing and electronics accessories like smartphone cases are examples of saturated markets. Looking at the Pulse TV website, we can probably rule out smartphone accessories, DVDs and entertainment, as well as particularly competitive niches in the auto accessories and fashion accessories categories. In these 3 easy steps, we've seriously narrowed down our search for a profitable product that will be easy to sell online. So where to next? Finding the easiest products to sell online. At this point, we're about 3/4 of the way through our profitable product funnel. The next step requires us to look through the remaining categories for the best product for your business. This part of the process is a bit of trial and error, and it helps if you know which products are trending. Review these 3 steps until you found the perfect product to sell online. Number 1, choose the product and check the wholesale price. Number 2, search the same product on Amazon or eBay to find the retail price. And number 3, check how many others are selling the same product. Browsing through the travel accessories category on Pulse TV, I was quite interested in the RFID blocking wallet, as these wallets are popular with travelers. It also falls under personal security, another trending niche. However, a quick search on Amazon tells me that the retail price and profit margin won't be viable. Next, I take a look at the In the Kitchen category on Pulse TV, and I'm immediately drawn to the SmartVac 20 Vacuum Seal Food Saver Kit. It falls under the kitchen appliance niche, but I'm also aware that it might appeal to health and fitness types who do weekly meal prep. The wholesale price is $24.99, but if you look closely, you can buy 5 units for $79.55, making them $15.91 each. Over on Amazon, these vacuum seal kits are selling for about $60, and there appears to be very little competition from other sellers. This is a good sign. Based on this information, I could sell the SmartVac 20 for more than double the wholesale price. That's a profit margin of more than 100%. Everything suggests that this will be an easy item to sell on Amazon for a profit. It may take you a little longer to find a great product to sell on Amazon or eBay, but using this method will definitely speed things up. By knowing which categories to avoid on the Pulse TV website, I was able to zero in on some potentially profitable products more quickly. Some people spend hours, days, weeks, months trying to find that perfect product to sell online. I found that SmartVac 20 in less than 10 minutes. Now, a few final thoughts before I go ahead and wrap this up. The secret is in knowing which categories to rule out from the beginning. That way you can focus more on the niches that you know are going to be profitable and competitive on Amazon, eBay, or whatever selling platform you choose. You won't waste hours of your precious time browsing through products on a supplier's website. You want to think outside the box and work your way through that funnel until you have a product that you know will be easy to sell. If you've used this method to find a great product or have another hot product finding tip, let us know in the comments below. It really does mean a lot to us. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and hit that little bell icon if you want to get notified of our future uploads. Check the description below for relevant links I mentioned in this video and for other information about dropshipping. This is Stuart with SaleHoo, signing out.